What you are looking at is not a traditional studio leak, but an advanced look at a major automotive shift, visualized perfectly through artificial intelligence before its official physical launch. The premium electric crossover market is about to witness an absolute clash of the tech titans. This is the all-new Luxeed RX. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava, and today, we are using these stunning AI-generated outdoor visuals to deconstruct the design language, the calculated technical architecture, and the high-stakes strategy behind Huawei and Chery's newest weapon. We are here to answer the ultimate question: is this the definitive machine to completely halt the dominance of the sensational Xiaomi YU7? Now, let's analyze the technical blueprint and structural positioning, because even though this vehicle is wrapped in intense secrecy, the data reveals a deeply aggressive strategy. Chery and Huawei have co-engineered the Luxeed RX to bypass traditional, boring SUV proportions, leaning heavily into a sleek, low-slung, future utility vehicle architecture that draws clear aesthetic DNA from the multi-million-dollar Ferrari-Inspired. This dramatic styling is a direct psychological attack on the Xiaomi YU7. While Xiaomi is weaponizing its massive Medina platform and track-ready performance grids to crush the competition, Luxeed is firing back with a deeply emotional, wind-tunnel sculpted exterior profile designed to rewrite premium road presence. Underneath this beautiful shell, the RX is heavily rumored to deploy an ultra-efficient 800-volt high-voltage platform paired with Chery's robust manufacturing quality. This setup is calculated to deliver rapid DC fast charging cycles and incredible driving range, ensuring that it doesn't just match Xiaomi's blistering highway pace, but actively challenges its real-world efficiency metrics on every level. Since we are diving deep into this premium fastback prior to its official physical rollout, let's look closer at the stunning exterior lines captured in the video, RX YU7. MP 4-inch. The visual drama engineering here is absolutely undeniable. What we see is a hyper-aerodynamic, low-slung coupe SUV silhouette that masterfully slices through old-school design rules. Look at that aggressively clean, closed-off front fascia, anchored by piercing, high-definition matrix LED light signatures that wrap seamlessly across the nose to give the vehicle a remarkably sharp, intelligent gaze. The vehicle's stance is purely athletic, sporting massive, deeply pocketed multi-spoke alloy wheels with high-contrast yellow performance brake calipers that scream track-ready capability. As the camera tracks along the side profile, notice how the beautiful, fluid roofline slopes gracefully toward a muscular rear ducktail spoiler. This sweeping architecture isn't just for show. The flush, integrated door handles, frameless side mirrors, and integrated functional body vents work together flawlessly to minimize air turbulence and maximize electric efficiency. Every single contour captured in these sleek outdoor environments proves that the brand is tossing out boxy, conservative SUV shapes to deliver a rolling piece of digital art that looks incredibly fast even when sitting completely still. So, let's run the critical demographic profiling. Who is the Luxeed RX actually being built for? First, it is tailored flawlessly for tech-forward, high-earning professionals who want an absolute rolling supercomputer but refuse to drive a standard, boxy family crossover. They want something that commands attention outside an executive office or a premium lounge. Second, it is a direct masterstroke for performance-minded EV buyers who are deeply tempted by the Xiaomi YU7's high-tech ecosystem but favor the ultra-luxurious, grand touring elegance of a European-styled fastback combined with Huawei's legendary intelligent driving networks. If you want exotic supercar aesthetics fused with bleeding-edge connectivity, your garage is being targeted. So, let's deliver the ultimate tactical verdict. Can the Luxeed RX truly dethrone the Xiaomi YU7? An absolute yes. By entering the premium electric battlefield with Ferrari-bred exterior proportions, Chery's manufacturing power, and Huawei's tech backing, The RX has all the tactical ammunition required to split the market wide open. Xiaomi has enjoyed a massive wave of success, but Huawei is proving that they can build an elite, visual masterpiece that redefines luxury mobility. The EV status quo is officially under siege. Silently smash that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now to stay ahead of the global automotive tech curve. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.